Today is a very special day for me, and I wanted to share it with my family out there, those who have been welding and fabricating for years and ironworking for years. This is when I first got my certificate for being certified as a combo welder, and this is from the Arkansas Department of Workforce as a combinational welder in 2004, March the 3rd. I completed this. This is very special to me. I have a few very special moments in March, which is my birthday on the 29th of March, and the day I got released from prison, which was March the 8th. So March the 3rd, March the 8th, and March the 29th are very special days for me. And I just wanted to share that with you, that you can do anything you put your mind to. Anything. So don't let nothing hold you back.